How do we teach every student to be a professional for the world of tomorrow? We live in a time with endless possibilities, in which innovations follow each other at a rapid pace and impact our society, our social life, and our work. Much like the city, Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences consists of a large and diverse student population. We want to use this to our advantage in order to create awareness on the diversity of global perspectives. We want to do this by helping students develop their intercultural skills for the city and the world of tomorrow, and explore the opportunities in the job market and community. In this way, we get global citizens that can communicate with all fellow citizens. The Hub Internationalisation is the professional learning community in which educational programs can explore the potential of internationalisation together. In the Hub, we use the Triangle of Internationalisation as a common language to help shape the visions and ambitions of our programs and thus create meaning and understanding of internationalisation for Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences. What the Hub will learn or develop will be shared with the rest of the university. The Hub consists of 8 educational programs that use internationalisation in their curricula. These programs are pioneers, but also intermediaries and co-creators. These programs understand that all professional profiles have some sort of international or intercultural dimension, so they use internationalization in their programs and share the gathered knowledge and experiences together. For which challenges within the job market of our graduates are international or intercultural competencies required? How can we ensure that our students achieve these learning outcomes? What role does internationalization play in our program? And we ask ourselves, does this activity contribute to our learning outcomes? Why do we choose this activity, and which requirements must the activity meet? Which international partners are needed to achieve these learning outcomes? Do we already have good partners, or do we miss a few? What role does international research play with our programs? How do we, as Rotterdam University of Applied Science, learn with each other from good and not so good practices? With all these steps, the educational programs can write their version of internationalization for their program. For example, in preparation for an accreditation or policy paper. Are you wondering how your program can benefit from internationalization? Please contact the COIA or Hub Internationalisation. Get inspired and discover how together we can also broaden your scope of internationalisation. Our advice is, do try this at home. Werkplaats internationalisering at hr.nl